Alright, so as we saw before, it was installing the package and now it's installed and okay, let's get started. So first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to add the script which is shown here into your HTML, and you will need to have an API key, which as I told you before, you can find it really easily on Google Maps and it's free. So once you do that, you install the package and then you will have to use this component. So let's start with the component. And don't forget to import it. Import the script here. I do have my key. I'm not going to show that. Okay. So let us create another file which will be location search.js, and let's just paste it. Okay, really simple console log. We will get the whole thing here, and we don't need this exact thing. What we get here, we will have to do another API call, which is fine, and I'll show you that. So app will do a location search. Let's see if it imports itself. I think it won't, but anyway, that's not a problem. Let us import it manually. Location search from first one, location search. This is good, and you will see a good dialog box, not a dialog box but a input thing. Okay, so it's not showing it. Module can't resolve after bubble loader. Okay, let's see what the issue is. Okay, it's compiling. Hopefully it should start itself. Let's wait. Okay, so React is not there. This is strange. So let's take a look. What issue do we have here? And let's go into the location search. Import Google Places autocomplete, which is good. I don't think we have, or do we? Export default component. Okay, let me just stop it and start it again. Yarn start. Sometime when you install a new package, this thing can happen, but let's just give it a try. Okay, it's starting a new browser. Because I don't see anything wrong here. Okay, let's look at the other thing which I was talking about, that how can we fetch the lat and long. So they have a utility function which will help us get the lat and long. So let's look at that. Here is the utility function, and you need to search it in a different way. So what do we do here is we need the geocode by not the address but by place ID. We will do it by place ID because we will have a complete object here. It will look something like this. Okay, no, never mind. I'll show you the result, but we will need to get it by, we even get the address, but it's really convenient to get it by ID, and we will place the ID in here, and this will give us the lat and long, the result we will get the not exactly the Lat and Lng, but it will give you something like this. And from this, you use the Lat and Lng utility function, and you get the Lat and Lng at this point. Let me show you where. Yeah, this should return an object of Lat and Lng, and which I'll show you later. And let's see if it's running normally. No, it's not. So let me quickly fix it and I'll get back to you.